Are you videoing me? Yeah.
Nakita ko umiilaw yung wheels ng scooter mo. Ayan. When you are riding it, the lights turn on. Watch out for the cars.
Follow me.
It's a bit dark here. You see? It's a bit dark.
Dyan.
Office yan eh. Walang tao ngayon, gabi. Ayun.
Umuwi.
Umuwi na
ate.
sila, walang tao dyan.
Umuwi si ate.
Yan yung bahay ni Tito Arman dyan.
Let's see Tito Arman's
Watch
house.
out for the cars coming.
Where should we go? This way or this way?
This way. We're gonna go back home, Sabrina. Let's go.
Bigyan mo ko.
Hi.
Ay.
Ano? Akin na. Ilain ko muna. Is it hard?
No?
Come here. May nga yung dog doon.
Bitawan mo na.
Watch out.
Let's go this way. I want to see the houses.
Ano si Dawset?
I want to see that. I want to see that.
Let's go. Maingin ng dog doon, no?
He hates us.
Yeah.
He hates.
The dog hates other people.
This is so hard
Where?
because the rocks are vanishing me. Now let's go. Let's go faster. Wait. Wait a minute. Follow me. Baho.
Ang ano?
Ano?
Stinky?
Yeah, it's so stinky. Yung pao stinky pa.
Kanal yan eh. Yung kanal, stinky talaga.
Uy! Yung train, si Eagle Pig nakalib under the drain.
Oh?
She live under she live under there. It's the teeny pink.
Teeny pink.
Wait, are we in the wrong way? Wait, I think we are in the wrong way.
No, we're not. Knock dito sa right, going to the right. Turn right.
Yeah, this is right. This way?
Yes.
Now we already go this way. Now we're going this way. Because if your dad sees us, he's gonna be angry with us. He said, "Why did you Why are you Why are you scootering at night?" But
Tabi ka lang kasi may motorcycle
oh, here it comes.
Yeah. Let them pass.
Whee! I thought it was that. Do this way. Just follow.
Careful. Why are you going so fast?
Yeah, you're slow.
Yeah, I know.
You're fast. Are you still recording?
Yeah. I saw you.
What? What?
You're riding it on.
You
There's a chicken sleeping right there. Look.
Hakadido!
Pasko pa rin sa kanila.
Yun na lang yung decoration natin. At yung... Look at that! It's a cool wall.
Let's go.
Let's go. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Snow. Ayun si Snow, oh.
Bye! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!
Ayun si Snow, oh. Where's the key?
Here.
Oh, these are my cats. It's Nana and Snow. Excuse me, gonna open the gate. Excuse me, Nana.
He's touching.
Give me your mommy. Give me your mommy. It's Snow. Nana.
No.
Bye.
Hi.